Looking to pursue BAMS and seeking admission in top Ayurvedic colleges? Meditech Education Services is here to guide you through the process and help you secure a seat in the college of your choice. Does BAMS have a better scope than MBBS? BAMS, Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery, holds great importance due to its holistic approach and emphasis on preventive care. Unlike MBBS, BAMS combines traditional Ayurvedic wisdom with modern medical knowledge, providing a more comprehensive and personalized approach to patient care. BAMS professionals are trained in herbal medicines, lifestyle modifications, and Ayurvedic therapies, offering a broader range of treatment options. BAMS curriculum covers a wide range of subjects, including Ayurvedic principles, herbology, pharmacology, panchakarma, clinical diagnostics, and more. You'll receive a comprehensive education that blends theoretical knowledge with practical training, ensuring you're well prepared to serve patients. We have established partnerships in the top Ayurvedic colleges in Haryana. These colleges are known for their exceptional faculty, infrastructure, and academic excellence, ensuring you receive the best education in the field of Ayurveda. These are the universities that we work with. SHRI Dhanwantri Ayurvedic College and Hospital in Chandigarh, Best Ayurvedic Hospital and College in Tri-City and nearby. BMU Baba Masnath University in Rohtak. A private self-financing university, blossomed under the aegis of Sri Baba Masnath Math, Astal Bohar in 2012 under Haryana Private Universities Act 2006. Sri Guru Gobind Singh Tricentenary University Budhira, Gurugram District, Haryana. More courses offered by this college: MBBS, BAMS, BDS. Ch. Devi Lal College of Institutions, Yamunanagar. National College of Ayurveda and Hospital, Dani Garan Road, Barwala, Hisar. Our team of expert counselors is well versed in the BAMS admission process. Meditech Education Services is your trusted partner in securing admission in top Ayurvedic colleges for BAMS. Contact us today to begin your journey towards a successful career in Ayurvedic medicine. Let us guide you through the process and ensure you find the right college that aligns with your aspirations.